Bats in the Library, written and illustrated by Brian Lies. Another inky evening's here. The air is cool and calm and clear. We feasted, fluttered, swooped, and soared, and yet we're still a little bored. All this sameness leaves us blue and makes us ache for something new. Then word spreads quickly from afar. A window has been left ajar. Can it be true? Oh, can it be true? Yes, Bat Night at the library. There they go swooping. The sky is lively as we race together toward our favorite place. Eager wings beat autumn air. Look, that's it. We're almost there. Then, squeezed together wing to wing, we rocketed through the opening. We've waited for this night all year, but this is it at last. We're here. For most old bats, this isn't new. They've got lots of things to do. They'll flutter off and lose themselves among the books lined up on the shelves. Other bats, in munchy moods, will study guides to fancy foods or hang out by a lamp instead to talk about the books they've read. But little bats will have to learn the reason that we must return. The ones who haven't come before have no idea what's in store. Some of them will drift away and figure out a game to play, like shaping shadows on the wall or a wingtip tag around the hall. They're putting shadows up on the wall. This big box is loads of fun, blasting brighter than the sun. Instead of copying books for shelves, we can duplicate ourselves. Doesn't matter where you look, there's nothing like a pop-up book. The fountain waters are nice and cool and makes a splendid swimming pool. Please keep it down, you must behave. This library is not your cave. It's hard to settle down and read when life flits by at dizzy speed. But story time is just the thing to rest a play exhausted wing. And if we listen, we will hear some distant voices drawing near. Louder, louder, louder still. They coax and pull us in until everyone, old bat or pup, has been completely swallowed up and lives inside a book instead of simply hearing something read. They're losing themselves inside a book. They're using their imagination. Pretty cool. Breathless, lost within the tale, no one sees the sky grow pale. What is that light? A lamp? The moon? Our bookish feast can't end so soon. It feels as though we've just begun, but now we leave our books half done. Through the window into sky, it's much too late. We've got to fly. But maybe a librarian will give us bats this chance again. and leave a window open wide to let us share the world inside. There they go, out the window. The library must be coming in. For now, we'll dream of things we've read, a universe inside each head. Every evening, one and all, we'll listen for that late night call. Can it be true? Oh, can it be? Yes, that night at the library.